Fake online website when offline. I am developing a website using a local server, but I have remote dependencies. I would like to fake requests for files from remote servers. For instance, when the browser makes a request for fookton.com/bloatedlib.js, the contents of .js will be returned. I use a Mac, and a solution that works at the system or browser level would be fine. If it works at the browser level, only a Firefox or Chrome solution will be alright. I cannot use a Windows computer.
You could use proxy server software that supports URL rewriting to accomplish the task. Many proxy server applications support URL rewriting. Example, the Charles Web Debugging Proxy application for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux supports URL rewriting. You could install it on your Mac system and then configure the browsers on the system to use the proxy server. Alternatively, Apache, which is free and open source, has mod_proxy and mod_rewrite modules. MimProxy is free and will also run on a Mac OS X system. If you need to pull items out of your browser's cache to make them available via the proxy server, you can use techniques provided at Viewing Chrome Cache, the easy way. Example, in Google Chrome you can put Chrome :// in the browser's address bar and then locate the relevant items in the Chrome cache and copy them elsewhere.
It sounds like you're running a local web server. Excellent. In your Mac's file system, there is a file called /etc/hosts. You can redirect all requests for fookton.com to your local machine by adding this line in /etc/hosts. You will need root, superuser, permissions to edit /etc/hosts. The above line means that fookton.com will load from your own computer where a web server is listening. You didn't specify what web server you're running locally, though. Following the web server's documentation, you should create a virtual host that points the document root of fookton.com to. This is a sample configuration. I haven't tested it myself. You can try to use with Apache. Here's a sample configuration for Nginx, also untested. Don't forget to restart the web server service or reload the new configuration file.
I hacked together this little proxy server to only download missing files. Just set up your /etc/hosts file to point sites you want to cache at 127.0.0.1 and those you want to block at 0.0.0.0. Note that it puts all files in one directory, so it may cause version conflicts. I did this intentionally so I wouldn't have 500 copies of jQuery.
Sounds like good old waffle should suit your needs. It's a proxy server where you can select resources for offline usage.